What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about what is discretionary expense. Discretionary expense is a non-essential cost incurred by individuals, households, or businesses that is not necessary for maintaining basic operations or living standards. These expenses are classified as wants rather than needs, meaning they can be eliminated or reduced without significantly impacting day-to-day functioning. For instance, while groceries and rent are necessary, spending on entertainment, dining out, vacations, and luxury items falls into the discretionary category. Discretionary expenses have several key characteristics. Firstly, they are non-essential, meaning they are not required for basic survival or operational continuity. Secondly, these expenses offer flexibility. Individuals and businesses can adjust them based on financial circumstances, often cutting back on discretionary spending first during economic hardships. The term discretionary income refers to the income remaining after all necessary expenses have been paid, and it is this leftover income that individuals and businesses use to fund discretionary expenses. Examples of discretionary expenses vary widely in personal and business contexts. In personal finance, they include entertainment costs such as movie tickets or streaming services, travel expenses like vacations, and hobby-related purchases such as sports equipment or art supplies. In a business context, discretionary expenses might encompass marketing and advertising costs that promote products but not essential for immediate operations, employee perks like gym memberships or team building events that enhance workplace culture but are not mandatory, and office improvements that upgrade workspace aesthetics without directly impacting productivity. Understanding the differences between discretionary and non-discretionary expenses is crucial for effective budgeting. Discretionary expenses typically have minimal impact on operations if cut, while non-discretionary expenses are critical for daily functioning and must be paid regularly. By recognizing these distinctions, individuals and organizations can make informed financial decisions that align with their priorities and circumstances. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.